Did you know the marimba's beautiful sound comes from a secret most people never notice? You think it's just hitting wooden bars, but there's hidden magic happening underneath. The modern marimba was born in Central America during the late 1800s. It evolved from African xylophones brought across the ocean, trading gourd bowls for something much more clever. Here's what blows my mind. Those wooden bars aren't just flat pieces of wood. They're carefully carved underneath to control exactly how they vibrate. This carving determines the pitch and tone you hear. But here's the real secret. Beneath each bar sits a perfectly tuned metal tube. When you strike the bar, the air inside that tube vibrates too. It's like the instrument is singing harmony with itself. Most people think the tube changes the pitch, but it doesn't. The wooden bar creates the note, and the tube just makes it louder and warmer. Without those tubes, a marimba would sound thin and weak. The marimba's voice isn't just wood or just air. It's both dancing together in perfect harmony.